All right, this is not a happy dog when it comes time to brush her teeth. We're going to use a toothbrush and we're going to use a cookie. Here we go. Look at her face. All right, come on. Do your teeth with your cookie. All right, you ready? Come on, let's go. There we go. How often do you see a dog getting her teeth brushed? Oh my God, look at those eyes. She's like, get me out of this. Why am I here? Okay, let's do the center teeth now. There we go. Here's the part she hates the most when you do these teeth here. Alright, come on, other side. Let's go. We haven't done this so often. By the way, the reason we do this is our vet told us that we need to spend $1,000 by getting her to have her teeth done. This is a little bit of a cheaper way of doing this. Alright, center teeth. Look at it. There we go. Okay, now to the teeth that she hates. There we go. Now this is a happy dog. And with the cookie.